Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's recipe is lemon loaf. This is my favorite loaf. I love having it with tea or coffee, especially at Starbucks. This is a healthier version with whole wheat and jaggery powder. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I've taken 2 lemons. I'm gonna grate the outer cover of it to get the lemon zest out of the lemons. Make sure you don't grate the whiter part of the lemon, just the outer yellow part. This will give a nice lemony flavor to the cake. So in a bowl, take half a cup of jaggery powder, 2 room temperature eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can take half a cup of curd into this. Mix that really well. So next I'm gonna add about 50 ml of melted butter, or you can add vegetable oil instead of that. Also add the lemon zest and mix it really well so that everything is incorporated. Now I'm gonna add about 1 cup of whole wheat flour. I've sifted it along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm gonna add about 160 ml of cow's milk into this. Now make sure you incorporate everything well this time without leaving any lumps. If you don't have a spatula, that's okay, you can use a whisker. Now I'm going to add about 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence because we've added eggs into this, that is why. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to grease the loaf pan with some butter. Put the parchment paper onto it, apply some more butter and pour the batter into it. Preheat the microwave oven at 180 degrees and bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check with a toothpick if it comes out clean. Guys, this is ready. Look how beautiful it is looking. It has a nice brown color on the top and it is soft on the inside, as you can see over here. This is one of my favorite cakes to have. It has a nice freshness of lemon into it. You should definitely try this recipe. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this recipe. Please don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.